Fall is right around the corner, so it's time to get ahead of the game in order to be ready to embrace the full potential of this season. It's time to reset your space, clean up, shop for decor, and get back into routine. In this fall series, I'll be showing you how to prepare for fall and how to reset to become your dreamiest self. Hopefully this will motivate you. I have my pumpkin spice latte. It's iced obviously, but I put it in this cup because how cute. Yeah, that's bad. The very first thing I do when entering a new season is reset my space. My desk area was in need of a deep clean and reset, so I did just that. I also changed up the decor to make it look fresh and new. With the weather being nicer and September feeling like a new year, it's time to get back into routine. You may have lost motivation to work out or work on your goals lately because you could barely function with the heat, but now is the best time to refocus. If you don't give up on your goals now, you'll be so much more ahead of majority of the people who just gave up because they had a few months off. Okay guys, I'm all ready. I was listening to a video by Unjaded Jade and it's so inspiring. I'm going to apply this lip gloss. It's the Plump Lifter from Maybelline. Hot Chili. I feel like this tint is gonna be perfect for fall. I'm going to do my fall shopping. I actually made a list because I don't want to go overboard with this. Anyway, so we're going to Primark and I have a list of decor I need to pick up and also a few like essential clothes. Let me show you my outfit very quick. So I have this top because it's still kind of like warm in the south of France right now. So we have this top, very cute with little cherries. Oh, I have to do jewelry. Okay, as you can see, I rearranged everything here. I'm gonna grab this one, this ring, and my hoops. Maybe another ring. I feel like I actually want to get bangs again. I'm just going to take some thumbnails and then do some content. And almost 11 and we're going like we're heading out in 30-ish minutes. the fall shopping, I am a little disappointed because we went all the way to Primark, which isn't very close to us, and I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna get this and this and that. When we arrived, everything was empty. Like, we even thought that the main decor would be downstairs, because we saw an aisle with like some full decor, and I was like, oh, this is it. But like, let's not get into it yet, because I know there's like a bigger section downstairs. We go downstairs, there was nothing. Like, they removed the entire decor section downstairs, so we climbed back up, and I was like, there's no way this is the only aisle for my fall shopping. Like, there's no way they only put these when they know that they're like so viral. Like, all the objects they got are so viral on TikTok, and like everyone's getting them for fall. There's no way they just had this small aisle for everyone. I already have a few pieces from last year that I am still gonna use, because I hate just buying new stuff every year when I already have them there. It's just that obviously every single year they come up with new stuff. I have some pumpkins to decor, so I didn't get any pumpkins today because I already have little pumpkins to place around the house. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the haul. Okay, first starting with Primark, I found, oh my god, you guys aren't ready for this. Are you kidding me? Like, this is indeed the Miffy socks. Absolutely insane. I think they're so cute. And then I saw this one and I had to get it. Initially I wanted this kind of style, but with a bear for fall, obviously. But I found these, which are so adorable. They are like, when I saw them I was like, I'm definitely gonna get them. It's like little bows like this, and it's blue, and they're like, oh my god, I didn't notice, but they have another one that is like pattern, you know, so cute. So these were $3.50. Okay, still in apparel, I got myself a fall pajama, and I'm so excited for this one, you guys. It is so cute. Again, I was looking for bear themed pajamas, but they didn't have any. Well, they had one, but it was way too warm for autumn, and it's this one. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this very, like, it's a camel brown PJ set. Then I got a claw clip, nothing too exciting because I needed one. Also the pajama set was, yeah. Okay, the only full like thing that I got from a Primark was this. It is way too cute. They still had the plates. I don't know how. That was probably a miracle because everything else was gone, and this one was only €4, you guys. This is crazy. That was it for Primark. As I said, the fall disappointed. Like, Primark this year disappointed me in fall. Like, it was, I don't know. But again, this is the Primark from my region. Like, I can't speak for all of them, obviously. Moving on to Action, they did have a lot more fall decor. I didn't get that much though, because I still am going to give a chance to Primark and go again when they have a restock. But first, these adorable mushrooms. I don't think I have mushrooms. I have like pumpkins, but I don't have mushrooms to put around the house. These are so cute. So they are like ceramic. Then my boyfriend actually found this one, which is super cute. It's this like fall decor, and it has a place in the middle to put a candlelight. So we'll definitely be doing this. And yeah, it's like lots of pines, some pumpkin. Finally, I had to get this. Obviously, like, you can't not get a branch of leaves like this. You can probably just DIY it, but I don't feel like it. I just feel like having the cute thing, having everything set up, you know. And yeah, I think that was everything for the fall haul for now. Obviously I'll try to like vlog when I go back to Primark and see if I can get my hands on the other fall stuff. Anyways, I think I'm just going to do some work for now, and I'll catch you up tomorrow, and we'll be decorating the whole place. So see you tomorrow. I just need to finish up this part of my setup, which is planting this little cutie. It has been in the water for 2 weeks now, and she finally has a strong root. I feel like I used to have a plant here. It was like a money plant, and I don't know why, you guys, all the plants, like all the Chinese money plant I buy just die. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's too much water, and sometimes it's like not enough water. I don't know. And I saw this guy's video on TikTok, and he was like, just know that if you always have one plant that dies on you, it's because it doesn't like your face. Like, and I was like, okay, they don't like me, it's fine. Now let me show you the final result. I love how everything turned out. You don't need to give your house a complete makeover. It's simply not necessary to enjoy the full vibes. Adding a few candles, pumpkins and lights is already more than enough. Don't let social media choose what your house should look like in order for you to have a cozy season.